Imagine a worker who never sleeps, never complains, and works 24/7 for just a few dollars an hour. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie. This is happening right now in America's biggest warehouses. Meet Figure Zero One, the world's first commercially viable humanoid robot. Backed by billions of dollars from OpenAI, Microsoft, and Jeff Bezos, this single machine is about to disrupt the global economy forever. And the scariest part, it learns just like a human. For years, companies built robots that could only perform simple, repetitive tasks. They were dumb, stiff, and expensive. But everything changed when a secret startup named Figure AI joined forces with OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. By putting OpenAI's giant AI brains into a multi-million-dollar robotic body, they created something unbelievable. Figure Zero One doesn't just follow a code, it thinks. It can talk to you, understand your commands, and instantly figure out how to solve complex human problems. It's no longer a machine, it's an autonomous worker. But what is the ultimate goal here? Figure AI wants to deploy millions of these humanoids into factories, warehouses, and eventually into your homes. Companies like BMW are already testing them on their assembly lines. Think about the economic impact. A robot doesn't need healthcare, vacation days, or a salary. Once the upfront cost of building these machines drops, millions of human jobs could disappear overnight. We are standing at the edge of a new era. The line between human and machine is blurring faster than anyone predicted. Is Figure Zero One a miracle of technology or the beginning of a massive labor crisis? Only time will tell. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Alpha Nexus. Thanks for watching.